So how can Open-E JovianDSS help your company avoid losing data and money due to ransomware attacks? Given the ever-increasing amounts of ransomware attacks these days, that's a pretty popular question. Well, here's an example. Right now our system is normal. We have all our files and the data is accessible. Then, all of a sudden we're hit with a ransomware attack, and the data is no longer accessible. Now we might have to pay a huge fee just to get our data back. So how can we avoid this? Well, with Open-E JovianDSS, we can just go to the snapshot section, find the snapshot that was taken right before the attack happened, and do a rollback. The reason why this works is because snapshots are read-only files, so they don't get encrypted. As you can see, the rollback process is very simple. After the rollback process is finished, we just put in our password like normal. There's no complicated technical issues or problems, and anyone can do this. This simplicity is one of the reasons Open-E JovianDSS is so amazing. After we're done putting in our password, we'll find that the system has returned back to normal. All our files are once again accessible and no data has been damaged or lost. Now we don't have to worry about any ransom demands and we can continue running our business as though the ransomware attack never happened.